In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the parametric curve in Lightroom Mobile in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If you want better contrast, cleaner tones, and a more professional look without making your photo look over-edited, this is one of the best tools to learn. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and select the photo you want to edit. You can tap on an image from your camera roll or choose one already imported into Lightroom. Once your photo is open, go to the Light panel. This is where all the brightness and contrast tools live, and it's also where you'll find the curve controls. Now tap Light and then look for the Curve option. When you open it, you may see the standard curve view first. To use the tool properly for this method, switch to Parametric mode. In Parametric mode, you'll see 4 main sliders or regions that control different parts of the image. This is what makes it so powerful, because instead of adjusting the whole photo all at once, you can target specific tonal areas. The first region is Highlights. This controls the brightest parts of your photo, like the sky, shiny objects, or light reflections. Next is Lights, which affects the bright midtone areas. After that comes Darks, which handles the mid-dark parts of the image. And finally, Shadows, which controls the darkest areas. Once you understand these 4 regions, the curve becomes much easier to use. A great way to start is by making a soft S-curve. This is the most common curve adjustment for adding natural contrast. To do that, slightly increase the highlights and lights, then gently decrease the darks and shadows. That creates a subtle curve that makes your image feel more dynamic without destroying detail. The key here is to keep everything soft and controlled. If you push the curve too far, your photo can start looking harsh or unnatural, so always make small changes and watch how the image responds. For portraits, landscapes, and everyday photos, subtle adjustments usually look best. You want the curve to enhance the image, not overpower it. As you adjust, zoom out and compare the before and after. Ask yourself if the photo has better depth, better separation between light and dark areas, and a more polished overall look. If it does, you're on the right track. If it starts looking too contrasty, just reduce the curve slightly until it feels balanced again. One more important tip, use the parametric curve to fine-tune your edit after making your basic light adjustments. That means you can first set exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks, and then use the curve for the finishing touch. This gives you much more control and helps create a cleaner final result. So to recap, open your photo in Lightroom Mobile, go to the Light panel, tap Curve, switch to Parametric mode, then adjust highlights, lights, darks, and shadows to create a gentle S-curve. Keep the changes subtle for a natural finish, and you'll get a much better looking edit in just a few taps. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom Mobile editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.